Hi everyone, welcome to Play Hooky with me. My name is Roz and today I want to share with you a quick little hack on how to prevent your chains from twisting. We're getting into that season now where we're making socks, gloves, beanies, and it usually requires us to make a pretty long chain with a slip stitch at the end to form a circle. And I don't know about you, but sometimes I have issues with my chain twisting on me. Now that's not such a big deal if you're working with 10, 20, 30 chains. You can just run your thumb along the line of it to get it straight before you slip stitch. But if you're working on a larger piece that maybe requires 50, 60, 70 chains, that can be a little bit more of a pain. And I really like this little hack here to help with that. So let's just pretend for this video that we need to do 50. I'm going to start with 5 chains to get started. And what I'm going to do now is just remove my hook from the chain, go back to the very beginning chain, and just insert that chain onto my hook. I'm going to scooch it down, reattach to my working chain, and now I'm just simply going to continue on. Now if you find this a little bit too fiddly with just 5 chains on your hook like this, you can always move up to 10. That's perfectly fine. And now just continue on with your count. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 6, 47, 48, 49, and 50. Now I hope you can see this on camera, but I don't have any issues with the twisting. Simply beautiful. And at this point, go ahead and just slip stitch like you normally would. And you're good to go. Thanks a lot for watching everyone. Happy hooking, and we'll see you again next time.